Sa wakas nakalaya, kaya ba ng bawat gabi wala nang nakikita, ang puso'y dinaramdam sa dilim. Wala lang sa panaginip, ako ay magigising. May sindi na ang ilaw, nakalaya ng aking multo, ang aking multo. Ang aking multo. Ang aking multo.
What if Multo had an English version?
Why can't I just be set free? 'Cause tonight I feel your presence with me, surrounded but can't see. Your warmth is lingering endlessly, and now I just stopped dreaming, and now I can't seem to wake up. And now I leave the light on. I'm haunted by the things that I feel, the things that I feel. Leave me alone, won't you ever let me go? Haven't I endured enough to see the show? Will I never find my peace of mind? Will I never find my peace of mind?
Sa wakas